Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. Today we're gonna see how to set up easily Shopify, the AI commerce platform by Alloia. So the first step is to create your subscription on the Alloia portal. Here's the link for your convenience. Then you have to validate that you are the actual owner of the domain that will host all the data about your product. You generate your API key on the platform Alloia and then enter it here in setting and validate the API key. When it's done, you should see something like this, making it flagging it as valid. Then you can go to dashboard and you can see how many product you have to sync up and begin to sync. The process should be pretty fast depending on how many product you have. Some of our clients have millions of product, so those obviously take hours to complete. But for a really low number of product, it's pretty fast. You have to enable or disable the AI meta tags. And there's also a note here that you have to also enable the AR injection meta tag inside your team. So to do so, you have to go to sale channel, online store, then you exit your team, you open up the app embed uh, tab, and you enable Alloia meta tag embedding and save. And that's it, you're done. So now your product are synced and the meta tag is injected through your team, directing AI bot to the Alloia graph. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Thank you very much.